Funky mix. Start sequence. Let's go.
Tacklife power tool. It's a belt sander. It's got a 3x18 inch sanding belt on it. Comes with 13 total, 1 on it and 12 extra. It also has the dust collector, or it's got 2 adapters if you want to hook a hose up to it. It's multi-speed, so you can adjust the speed of it. Let's see what's in this box. You can see the design of it. The power cord on it is 10 feet long. Should be more than long enough to reach wherever you need to go. We can use an extension cord. So you got the user manual. Looks like it's in English. Tells where all the buttons are, all the controls, how to use it, how to set some things up. It does have multiple languages. It's got a little warranty card here. You should probably fill that out or sign up online. Make sure you get your warranty. Here's all your extra belts. Here's your 2 adapters for the hose for the dust collector. There's your container for the dust collector. Not real big, but it looks big enough. This does come with 2 clamps, so you can turn this upside down and use it like a bench sander and bolt it or clamp it down to a table or whatever you're using at the time. Then you got the sander itself. It has a little bit of weight to it. It's not light per se. And that's where your dust collector would go, or if you can use the adapters, depending on what size hose you got. It does have a lock on here, so you can pull that and lock the handle down and the power on, so you don't have to keep changing it. You do have an adjuster here. And then the part I like is you can easily change these belts. Just untighten that loosens this, so you can pull this out, and then tighten it back up. Ready to go. Put a new belt on there. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You should be able to use this anywhere you want. Let's see, it's got a 10-foot power cord on it. Pretty sweet. It does come with a little Velcro piece here. That's kind of nice. I like it.